How do you measure your own success as a maintenance manager, and how should other maintenance managers measure their own success?
There's thousands of KPIs out there. There's ones for, your whole plant, your cost to produce, cost per unit, availability, OEE. In the beginning of my career, I was always focused on like 3 or 4 and like, oh, these are my critical KPIs and I got to get this. And over maybe the last year or two, I kind of changed my perspective and thought to myself, okay, a lot of times maintenance, we do by default kind of silo ourselves off. And I've even heard technicians say our goals aren't the same as theirs. And so I guess I'm growing up and getting older and saying, no, we're all working towards the same thing. We have to be. We can't be fragmented. So the way that I actually measure my success now is I look at the work that I'm doing and I look to see if it aligns to the plant or the company's objectives. What am I doing to help further that? And if I can't clearly look at what I'm doing and say that is helping that objective, or that's in our mission statement, or that's in our vision statement, like if I can't really do that about what I spend the majority of my time doing, I'm probably focused on the wrong things. I'm being more maintenance centric. So I need to understand what my company's vision is, what my plant's vision is, align my department to that vision, and then measure our success based on that.
That's such an important perspective, April, because I 100% hear you when I hear other people talk about like, hooray, I've got close to 100% PM compliance, but we had 30 hours of downtime last month. It's like, that's not great. Hooray for you, but those goals aren't aligned to the company's goals. Or like, oh yeah, our mean time to between failures really low, but we had like 6 mission critical pieces of equipment go down. Like, it's not just the mean that the company cares about. And so what I hear you say is it's important to track all these KPIs, but if these KPIs don't lead you to the same outcome that your business is focused on, what your plan is focused on, what production is focused on, it doesn't mean that we should all be cheering for success. And my guess is it goes the same way the other way. If the business is successful, if your plant is successful, and sure, maybe we didn't hit that 99% PM compliance like we wanted to, like that's okay as well on the flip side.